Rewind to 2000 BCE. Turmeric began in India, a golden root called haridra. It spiced food, dyed clothes, and symbolized purity at ancient Indian weddings. In Ayurveda, turmeric healed stomach issues, cuts, and joints with its curcumin magic. By 600 CE, it spread to China, calming livers in traditional Chinese medicine. Indonesia's Jamu tonic used turmeric to fight colds and menstrual pain. Pretty powerful. Indian brides slathered turmeric for glowing skin. Thailand used it in scrubs. It earned the nickname Indian saffron for coloring curries across ancient Asia. In the 13th century, Arab traders brought turmeric to Europe, a pricey treasure. Medieval England colored mustard with it. Turmeric's behind that bright yellow zing. European healers treated jaundice with turmeric, unknowingly using curcumin's liver benefits. By the Renaissance, royal chefs used turmeric for luxurious golden dishes. Artists mixed it into paints, creating vibrant yellows for Renaissance masterpieces. Hindu myths say turmeric came from the sun's golden rays, divine stuff. In 1815, scientists isolated curcumin, confirming its anti-inflammatory powers by 1870. A 1995 study showed curcumin slowed tumor growth by 40%. Impressive, right? Turmeric reduced Alzheimer's plaques 50% in 2001 studies, boosting memory too. In 2024, curcumin cut diabetic neuropathy pain by 30%, a modern win. Today, turmeric's in golden lattes and skincare, fighting wrinkles with antioxidants. Fermented turmeric supplements boost bioavailability, enhancing energy for 2025 wellness trends. Turmeric's 4,000-year history proves it's no fad, a true healing gem. With the latest crazed term of curcuminoids, turmeric's heroic contribution continues to flourish. Like and subscribe to get firsthand more exciting content like this. Support the channel with a like, subscribe, and shares.